Question 13. We look at each option individually. Option A states the C sapidus in experiment 2 were exactly 3 times as wide as the C sapidus in experiment 1. We look at experiment 2 out here, the C sapidus were 23.3 millimeters wide, and in experiment 1, the C sapidus were 4.5 millimeters wide. Hence the ratio is somewhere between 5 to 6, and it is not exactly 3 times. Hence, option A is eliminated. Option B states the length of time needed to perform experiment 1 was less than the length of time needed to perform experiment 2. The length of time for experiment 1 and experiment 2 is not given. Hence, option B is also eliminated. Option C states the number of surviving Z Mariner was measured in both experiments 1 and 2. If you look at table 1 and in table 2, we see the number of surviving C sapidus were measured, whereas the Z Mariner population density was given, and the number of surviving Z Mariner wasn't measured in either of the experiments. Hence, option C is eliminated. Option D states in both experiments there were initially 50 C sapidus per group. For this, we go look at a particular statement out here. We see that 200 in experiment 1, 200 C sapidus were collected and they were equally divided into 4 groups. Hence, if you divide 200 C sapidus in 4 groups, we get 50 C sapidus per group. And out here again, in experiment 2, each of 200 large juvenile C sapidus was prepared as in experiment 1. Again, we would have 50 C sapidus per group. Hence option D is the correct choice.